Today I received my third package from the gate and I could not wait to open them. The box came a little damaged, but the shoes were not, so I'm okay with that. I don't keep the boxes anyway. So I ordered an all red pair of Jordan 11s, I believe it is. Is it Jordan 11? Yeah, I think so. I'm not a shoe head, so if I got that wrong, drop the knowledge in the comments. Don't get on me too hard. So this is just me. I'm about to take them up out of the plastic. As soon as I took them out the plastic, I smelled them and they smell so fresh, yo. I love red shoes. This is just me examining all of the sides. And when I say they look good, feel good, and smell good, y'all, I'm overly impressed. Like, I hear so many horror stories, but honestly, everybody who I've been ordering with, yo, they look real. They look legit. So right here is tied how they normally come, like with the shoestrings stuffed, and it's stuffed with like the tissue paper. And I swear at this time you couldn't tell me these shoe stores aren't ordering from the same vendors that I just ordered from. So I tried them on my feet, y'all. They feel so good. If y'all want these, check the link in the bio.